Hey guys, should we order bubble tea?
I think for marketing tool, what we do is that essentially we want people to know our brand. We build campaigns that caters to what consumers need. The rest of the magic happens between the other teams.
The consumer ops team will design a lot of innovative campaigns for our consumers, and we also collaborate with merchant ops team to run some co-marketing initiatives.
In general, we're trying to leverage a long-term deal strategy, data consultation, as well as our growth and promotion plan to support our eaters' demands.
So when an order is being placed, ensure that there's a rider at the right time at the right place to pick up the order, bring it to the customer and make sure that the customers receive it in good condition and make sure that the quality stays.
There are so many functions within ComOps. Basically, every person using our platform, they are our customers.
Everything's built beyond ops. It's the fundamental, so we have to have that in order to have all the other functions.
Well done!